Guys, I'll show you. This is my mother's house, my father and my mother's house, and that house is where I live. That's this is my brother's house where I used to live temporary here. Here's the plants. Look. That's where I live temporary. That's our small house. So I used to plant here. Some. Look. I'm not yet finished gardening this morning. Some. Look. I used to plant some tomato. And also here I have tomato here. And I also here I have some onions, okra. I used to plant tomato and okra, of course. This is my alugbati, as you can see. And that place is our kamote. And this is my tomato. You can see. I used to plant this one. And this is my cassava. I used to plant that sometimes when I'm not in pain. So look, I have to. That's where I live, guys. Simple. I'm just poor, but you know, we're happy. We're happy living here. Simple life. So that's my mother's house. We have our taro and kamote. My kamote is there. Pineapple. We used to plant pineapple. Moringa. Yes. And this is also taro. See. Not yet finished. This is my new plants now because I already harvested the others.